Hey guys, my name is Kaluka and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to talk about the soon to be announced Tecno Camon CM. So before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon as that will notify you every time I upload a new video, and that will help the channel grow. So let's get started. So today, as I mentioned above, I'm talking about the Tecno Camon CM, which will be announced very soon, according to Tecno. We first saw a post on this on Tecno's official forums, I think it was last week, and they were teasing the phone. They even shared an image, a sketch of showing both the front and the back, so we get to see what you should be expecting when the phone launches. But in terms of specs, nothing much has been shared so far. So what we only have is the design and what to expect. So that's pretty much it. And it's a simple design, as you can see from the images on the screen. And they show both the front and the back of the phone. At the back, we can see a single camera setup. This is quite interesting considering that the Camon series is a camera-centric line from Tecno. So it was interesting to see them go with a single camera setup instead of a dual one. But I'm interested to see how that works out. In terms of the design at the back, we've got nothing going on with it except for the camera, the LED flash, and the fingerprint sensor. Antenna bands have been moved towards the edges of at the top and at the bottom, so you get a very clean look at the back. At the very top, if you zoom in closely, you can see the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a nice thing to have, and it's nice for Tecno to keep it around, as other manufacturers have been doing away with it, but for Tecno, you can still get it there, which is nice to have. Nothing much is going on at the front, but as you can see with the display, it has the 18:9 aspect ratio, which we saw some manufacturers implement last year, including Oppo, Samsung, and the likes. So for Tecno, they don't want to be left behind, of course, with this. So that's why they're bringing in the Camon series this early in the year, because we are used to seeing the Camon devices launch around May or June. So this is interesting for Tecno to push the device early right now. But the interesting thing is, this is not their flagship phone yet. Their flagship phone was the Phantom 8, which was launched towards the end of 2017. It didn't have such a design. So that's what we have so far. The new design, 18:9 aspect ratio, Tecno Camon CM. It's expected to launch, I think, either tomorrow or sometime later this week. So that's about it, guys. That's the Tecno Camon CM early preview. I don't have the device just yet, but hopefully I'll be getting it when it launches. And if I do, I'll do a full review right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. And that's about it. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and leave down a comment down below telling me what you think about this one. Are you excited? Is this something you'll be interested in buying? I'd like to know. I'd really like to know what you think about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Kaluka and I'm signing out.